Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Hope everybody's doing good. This is my painting from my last video. I wanted to do a flower over a bottom, but it did not turn out, and I'm not real fond of this one. So in this video, we're just gonna paint over it. I'm gonna start, it's a 10 by 10 canvas, and I'm gonna use a black background just like I did in the other one. So we'll get that put down. I'm not gonna do another bottle bottom though. I'm gonna try something different in this one. And over there, hope I have enough down. If not, I got plenty more. This all spread around. Make sure all the sides are covered good. They all look good. Get my hands wiped off. See, we've got some air bubbles, so we'll have to take care of those. My gloves are falling off today for some reason. My torch. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna use this little conduit today and put it on my canvas. I'm only using 3 colors today, and they are metallics, and they're a Saks True Flow. I'm gonna use red, green, and gold. They're all from the same company. So I'm gonna put my little conduit right here. I'm gonna be putting the paint in there and moving the conduit around and see what we can come up with. So I think I'll start with some red and see how it goes. Some red in there. Move it around just a little bit at a time. We can get any to come out. There's a little bit. And here's some gold. I don't want a whole lot because I want a lot of negative space today. And we'll put some green in this time before we move it. See what happens. There we go. Okay, let's move it around and see how what we come up with here. Oh, that's pretty. Get off the end. Put that down here. Oh, that's really pretty. Let me give it a torch and see what happens. Don't want to mess with it too much. Bring it down just a little bit to cover just a little bit more this way, and then maybe just a little bit more. Nope, I don't want to do that. Okay. think what I want to do, I'm going to put it right back here. I'm going to put just a little bit more paint in it to fill out that last little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we come up with. I want to be able to have it all the way down to the other end. That. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's see. Let's run it off a little bit, see if we can get some down there. This way. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Black off. We've got an awful lot of black. I don't want to bring it back this way because I want it in the middle. Just bring it back towards the middle. This way a little bit. Can you see all right? I hope you can. There we go. Hands wiped off again. Not crazy about that spot right there. Let's see. I don't know. What do you think about that spot right there? I don't know if I like that or whether I should try and fill it in or not. Let's see what we can do. I like those right there though. Let's put a little bit more paint in it right there. Probably gonna mess it all up. We'll try not to. I think I have enough green right there, so I'm just going to go with the red and the gold. Try to bring it this way. So we'll have some more paint color on here. Go down this way. Okay. I think I like that much better. All right, we're going to give it a torch. One last torch. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. I've got some nice cells going on. I think this turned out a whole lot better than the other one. I think it looks pretty good. I really do like it. I think it's very gorgeous. I hope all you like it too. Let's see about giving you a close-up. It's the top left. I got a lot of negative space, which I wanted. There's a whole lot of beautiful cells right there. There's the middle, which is gorgeous. There we are. All right. Thanks for bearing with me and getting through that one that wasn't that great. I really like this one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Really appreciate it. Share this with your family and friends, anybody you think that would enjoy it. Leave me a comment if you have any. Oh, this is so good. I really love it. Oh, there's something right there, I think. See if I can get it. There we go. This is so pretty. I hope everybody's staying safe. And as always, please have a great day.